China has made its world's highest hydropower station worthy of the infrastructure maniac, and it took 16 years of doing so. After so much hard work, China has now become a powerhouse. After the building of 4 successful hydropower stations built on the Jinsha River, also on the Yajiang River, China has now built a hydropower station with the highest altitude. This took 16 years to make 9 of the world's largest projects. China's useful hydropower station is Lianghekou. This hydropower station is also known as the Yajiang River Lianghekou Hydropower Station, which is located in Yajiang Country, Sichuan Province. It's the highest earth rock dam in China, which is 295 meters, as it's the largest project in China. This hydropower station is as important as the Three Gorges. It affects the shipping in the Yangtze River Basin. There wasn't much difficulty for China to build this greatest hydropower station, and it was necessary to name it as Lianghekou Hydropower Station because it was built on the main stream of Yajiang River. The superpower of China cannot be underestimated. After all, China has constructed great projects like the Three Gorges and Baihetan, so constructing a power station at the location of Lianghekou was not so difficult and technical for them. But this hydropower station is not so popular. It's just an earth rock dam, which is the highest one in the world. This earth rock dam is a so-called construction process. The original technology uses soil and rock as the main elements to construct this dam. This was similar to the era of early times when people used soil and rock to build dams, but this dam has a height of 295 meters. If this dam was not strongly built to standard, then it would likely break. It's a strong dam which stores the water as a huge reservoir and then gives pressure to it. Where China was using soil and rock as the main elements, it also uses concrete for support. The concrete was used for the anti-seepage in the dams. It's to fill the gaps, because if there's gaps in the dam, then the water will flow out along the gap, which will affect the quality of the dam. If you compare this hydropower station with other stations in China, its average power is about 11 billion kilowatt hours, which is 1/10 of the Three Gorges Dam. If there are enough water supplies in the stream, the power generation of the hydropower station can be handled at a stable level. It can also improve the shipping in the lower and middle places of the Yangtze River when the water dries out in a specific season. It drops down in the dry season. The Lianghekou Hydropower Station is the first large-scale hydropower project of China in a Tibetan area. It's of great importance to China. In the coming time in the Medoc area, China has goals to build up more power stations and use this Lianghekou Power Station as for the Western Power. The construction process of this power station is the next step for the East Project, so this is the reason why the construction of this largest hydropower station has been more important to China. The best project in China. It creates a reservoir with a normal storage capacity of 10.767 billion cubic meters at a normal storage level of 2,865 meters. It's expected that the Lianghekou Hydropower Station will generate up to 11 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually. The world's biggest project of engineering was constructed by China. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.